Certainly it's an opportunity to learn. Many of the recommendations that we have adopted over the years, the elements and the ideas came from this sort of conferences. This particular conference is very high level. There'll be people like Vint Cerf, who's one of the inventors of the internet, one of the fathers of the internet. Other major companies, he now works for Google as a chief evangelist, wonderful title by the way. There are also other companies who are represented at very senior level, or governments are represented, international institutions, and I will certainly be there with a notepad and take very good notice of what is being said. I also look forward to meeting there our new partners. Recently the Council of Europe concluded an exchange of letters with 8 companies and 6 associations of internet providers, and these include Facebook, Google, Apple, Telefonica, Deutsche Telekom, Orange, to name but a few, and a series of smaller associations of smaller providers, European ones, and they have agreed to contribute to the Council of Europe's work on democracy, human rights and the rule of law. And one of my aims in Ottawa will be to have bilateral meetings with them. In fact, the emails have gone out this morning to arrange that and to see where they can concretely support us. Success for me would be to get a receipt, as it were, from the conference in the final declaration and the documents. There are a number of key documents that are supposed to be adopted at this conference, clear references to the Council of Europe's work as benchmarks for data protection, benchmarks for cybercrime, benchmarks for the responsibility of internet service providers, that as regards the actual substance of the conference itself. And I hope to get the agreement of the companies I mentioned earlier to partner with us in a number of very specific concrete projects, such as I said, fight against terrorism on the internet, protection of children, etc.